Do you really need to make money online? If the answer is yes, this video is 100% for you. Stop missing out on easy money with these 7 platforms. Don't skip this video if you want to make money online. You're able to use all of these simultaneously. This is NoBipole TV. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. The following are 7 search engines that pays you. 1. Earn 5 cents up to $1 per search with Qmee. Qmee is the simplest out of these 7 options and might just be my favorite. No need to worry about the search engine you're using. Qmee works with Google, Bing, Yahoo, Amazon and eBay. All you need to do is download the browser extension for Qmee. You'll be prompted when you go to their website, search how you normally would, and you'll see the dollars and cents add up in the corner. No point system, no gimmicks, and no limit to how much you can earn. You can cash out anytime with a PayPal account, transfer earnings to a gift card, or donate your earnings to charity. Tip to note, use Qmee with Bing so you can rack up Bing rewards money at the same time. 2. Swagbucks gives you 3 cents up to 39 cents per search. You probably already know about Swagbucks in terms of surveys, polls, and videos, but did you know that Swagbucks pays you to search as well? Search by setting Swagbucks as your default browser, or search directly from their website. And since they award you based on certain keywords, if you happen to search the right one, you'll get rewarded. I searched the keyword car tires and earned 4 Swagbucks. Make sure to download the Swagbucks mobile app and their browser extension to easily see your earnings. 3. Earn 1 cent per 2 searches with Bing Rewards. By switching your search engine to Bing, through Bing's rewards program, you earn points you can later redeem in things like gift cards, movies, electronics, and more. You can even donate your points to charity as well. Earn 1 credit with 2 searches, up to 15 credits on desktop, and 10 credits on mobile per day. Sign up for Bing Rewards here. To tell how many points you're earning while you're searching, download the Bing Rewards Chrome extension. 4. iRaizu earns you $0.025 per search. With iRaizu, earn points through surveys, videos, tasks and you guessed it, search. The difference with iRaizu is it's search and win, meaning points are awarded randomly. So the more you search on iRaizu, the more likely you are to earn. You can search directly on their website and cash out with Amazon gift cards. 5. Earn 1 cent up to 2 cents per search with InboxDollars. InboxDollars is an excellent way to make money on all of the usual tasks you have in Swagbucks, iRaizu and Gifthulk. You can also earn up to 15 cents per day with search. Search directly from their website or the InboxDollars app, available for Apple and Android. 4 searches will usually earn you 1 cent 2 cents. The payout may seem slim compared to the other options, but if InboxDollars is your platform of choice, adding search to your list isn't a bad idea. They'll send you a check in the mail when you decide to cash out, $30 minimum. 6. Earn 4 cents per search with Gifthulk. Gifthulk is very similar to Swagbucks and iRaizu in terms of combining efforts via survey, tasks, shopping, and when you use the search bar on their website. Sure, you're limited to 1 search per hour, but over time this adds up. 1,000 Hulk coins equals $1, and the lowest cash out for a gift card is $5. Tip to note, Gifthulk and iRaizu are Swagbucks wannabes, and while each brings something good to the table, if you're going to pick one, Swagbucks is your best bet. 7. Earn 1 cent per search with CashCrate. Earn money participating in surveys, watching videos, shopping, and searching with CashCrate. Enter your searches through CashCrate's website and you'll earn 1 cent per search, up to 10 times per day. No need to request a cash out either. CashCrate will send you a check in the mail after each month when you meet their $20 minimum. Note, the 7 platforms above are able to pay you because they have businesses that pay them to appear in search results or for having you complete tasks. This is NoBipole TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.